Hello everyone. Yesterday we had started the new chapter in maths, that is chapter number 11, money. And now today we will see the new topic from this chapter. This is very easy chapter, so you can do it nicely. Here we will see adding and subtracting money. Here is the food court menu. The price of each items are given here: dosa, idli, vada, milkshake, bhel, chaat, samosa and juice. All these items are there and its prices are there. Now we will see the example that is given below. Arif had an idli and a juice. Sunil had a vada and a chaat. How much did each pay? आरिफ ने इडली और जूस लिया है, सुनील ने वड़ा और चाट लिया है. देन हाउ मच दे हैव टू पे, उन लोगों को अपना अपना कितना पैसा देना पड़ेगा. So for that we have to write the numbers like this, and yes, we know how to add two numbers, but the only main thing is that we have to put a dot for the point and we have to write the number at proper sequence. Here it is given 7.50 for the idli and 18 rupees for the juice. And we have to write the number like these only, point to point we have to write. Point के नीचे ही point आना चाहिए और एक नंबर के नीचे एक नंबर, ऐसे सही तरीके से हमें नंबर्स लिखने हैं. एंड आफ्टरवर्ड हाउ टू ऐड these two numbers, that all of you know. 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 0 5, 7 plus 8 15, 5 here, 1 here, 1 plus 1 2. So this is the total of Arif's, and the Sunil's total is here 6.50 plus 13.50, so it will be 20 rupees. And we have to remember that whenever we are writing any numbers with rupees, we have to keep this dot, that is compulsory, and we have to put the sign before the numbers. जब हम मनी के बारे में कुछ भी लिखते हैं तब हमें आगे ये रुपीस की साइन लिखना जरूरी है, और ये बीच में डॉट करना नहीं भूलना है. वी डोंट हैव टू राइट 2000, बट वी हैव टू राइट 20.00. हियर 25.50, इट मीन्स के 25 रुपीज 50 पैसे. So that you have to remember. And now we will see next example. Arif gave the man rupees 50. How much money did he get back? आरिफ ने 50 रुपीज दिए और उसको कितने देने थे? 25 रुपीज 50 पैसे. तो उसको कितने पैसे वापस मिलेंगे? सो वी हैव टू डू दिस. रुपीज 50.00 माइनस उसका जो बिल हुआ है 25 रुपीज 50 पैसे. सो वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट द two numbers like this, and the answer will be, the subtraction answer will be 24.50. So Arif got back rupees 24 rupees 50 paise. Okay, so like this addition subtraction is not new for all of you, but whenever we are doing the addition or the subtraction of money, at that time we have to write rupees sign before the number, and we have to keep dot between two numbers, because the dot differentiate between rupees and paisa. And now here it is given, try this. Anisha had bhel and samosa. The amount is given here. We have to do the total of these two numbers. Here also Sukhvinder here, you have to write the price of this dosa and milkshake, and then you have to do the total. Anisha gave 50 rupees. How much did he get back? You have to write here the prices of this, and how much did she get back, that also you have to write. It is very easy. Sukhvinder gave 100 rupees, and how much did he get back? For these two, Anisha and Sukhvinder, that you have to do it by yourself, and you can do this. Okay, now on the next page, as we had done addition and subtraction, like this we have to do multiplication and division in money. Now how will we do this? So here rides are there: merry-go-round, giant wheel, and roller coaster. And what is the price of this of that ride? That is also given: 8 rupees per ride, 15 rupees per ride, and 18 rupees per ride. Now one example is here. Arnit buys 3 tickets for the roller coaster. How much does he spend? अर्नित ने 3 टिकट ली है रोलर कोस्टर की, तो उसको कितने पैसे देने पड़ेंगे? यहाँ पर एक राइड के एक टिकट के पैसे लिखे हैं 18 रुपीज, और उसको 3 लेना है. देन वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 18 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3, बट हियर 18 इज द रुपीज, so that is why put a sign here of rupees. Then 18.00, this is the number of money, and here 3 tickets, so that is why we don't have to put sign before 3, because 3 is the number of ticket, and the answer will be 54. You don't forget to put a dot. So answer will be 54 rupees. Anit has to spend 54 rupees. Now second example, 4.25 multiply by 5. If we are doing the multiplication of this number like this, how can we do? This is the number of rupees, that is why you have to put the sign for rupees. Afterward, multiply by 5. So we have to multiply all these number with 5. 5 5s are 25, and then here 5 4s are 20, plus 1 21. So whenever you are doing the multiplication, you have to do it very carefully. Write the number in a correct sequence and put a dot after two numbers of two numbers from the right side. Here the multiplication that I explained you, 5 5s are 25, put a 5 here and put a 2 here, then 5 2s are 10, plus 2 12. So 12 we will write once here 2 and 1 here above the 4, and then 5 4s are 20, plus 1 21, plus 25. This is the amount of rupees, that is why we have to keep the sign of rupees before the numbers. Now third example, Rahul won rupees 65 at this game stall. He decided to share the prize money with 4 of his friends. How much did each get? Now the total number of amount, that is 65, and Rahul is dividing among 4 friends. So we have to divide that number. So 65 divided by 5. Division, multiplication, whatever that we are doing in the previous chapter, like that only we have to do. But whenever we are writing the answer, we have to put the sign of rupees before the number. So division is the same as we are doing, 65 divided by 5. So answer will be 13. So that answer we have to write, each friend got rupees 13. This is the answer of division. So addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, everything that how to do that, all of you know that. And whenever the numbers are money, we have to put the sign of rupees before the number. Now we will see on the next page. Okay, this is the exercise, and here first question, that is your homework that you will do. Find out the cost of these items. Name of the items are given. One school uniform, one pair of school shoes, one school bag and total. And here what is the price of this things that you have to write, rupees and paise. You can take the help of your parents and they will tell you the what is the price of these things, and price when your parents was in school. Here you have to write the price when your parents वर इन द स्कूल. यहाँ पर आपके पेरेंट्स जब स्कूल में थे तब उसकी क्या प्राइस थी वो यहाँ पे लिखना है, और यहाँ पे जो प्राइस है वो अभी आपके लिए जो चीजें ली है उसकी क्या प्राइस है वो आपको लिखना है. सो दैट इज योर homework. This only, this first question, that is your homework that you can do with the help of your parents. Now second question, that is addition. 25 plus 50, we have to put the sign of rupees plus rupees 60. So write the number, write these numbers properly, and you have to do this addition also in your notebook. This exercise, the whole exercise that you have to write in your notebook. Like this, third question, that is subtraction, that also you have to do in your notebook. The only the change is there, the sign of rupee and the dot that is given for paisa. For example, 70 rupees 50 paisa. So after the dot, the number that is for paisa and the 70 is for rupees. Okay, so you can do these sums by yourself, and of course you can do multiplication, division, that also you can do. And afterwards, these are the word problems that also you can do. You just try to do by yourself. Afterwards I will send the answer in PDF, but first of all you have to try it by yourself. So I hope all of you understood this. So keep reading, keep practicing, and I hope that you can do this by yourself. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.